Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. It's time for Fire Chaser Express here at Dollywood in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We're right here in the Smoky Mountains. It's got a nice landscape and nicely themed. I'll turn it around so you can see the train right there. It's got that old steam locomotive type, and they've got some old-fashioned fire trucks out here. They've got some nice water elements off to the side. So far so good on the theming. We hear this one goes forwards and backwards. Hopefully my stomach will be fine at the end. So if I look green, well, that's why. We see the entrance right up here, and we just got to go on this side of the rope. And we'll see you when we get on the ride. Join us for the ride, and we'll tell you what we think at the end. All right. There's the Wilderness Pass Fire Engine. Fire Chaser Express. Okay, row 4, Fire Chaser Express. Yep. We're good. Fire Chaser Express. I have no idea what's going to happen here. Oh yeah, we're launching. Oh! Okay. I mean, it started like a strong launch. Oh! Little speed. Oh, and a lift hill. Okay. Crazy. Some nice theming. There's the new area they're working on. Construction over there. Up and up we go. I might go hands up for this. Fire Chaser Express. Are we going straight down? Are we? Are we? Little bit. Oh! I had to hold on for a second. It's starting to slide.
Just close your eyes.
I give it an A+ for theming. Oh. You know, 100 years ago, this would have been the cat's pajamas. Oh, all right, all right. Oh, we gotta go backwards. Oh, jeez. What happened in the world? Oh, boy. Enough. Woo. Not backwards. I'm all right, but I could go without it. Just launch me again and drop me straight down, you know. But I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10. The theming is great. Exit down the ramp, Becky. All right, fire station number 7, Fire Chaser Express. What'd you think?
I love the launch elements. The backwards, I think, was my favorite.
Nice.
But yeah, it was a nice ride.
I gotta say, for family coaster, it's a great one. The theming is really good. It's not a lot of speed, but it's kind of fun. I mean, it's like an upscale family coaster. They really do it over the top of the theming. The backwards launch is nice. The front launch is nice. Had a great little ride there. I like the little fireworks display indoor. Anytime you can get an indoor element in a coaster, it's great. The trains are, I mean, you feel like you're on an actual train. And I had a great ride. So we'll give this 8 out of 10 here at Dollywood. Thanks for joining us for this one. Click the subscribe button if you haven't. Join us for all of our other adventures, and we'll see all our fellow travelers soon on the next video. Bye, everybody.